Most people think this image is an exaggeration. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how AI just bypassed the gate and why 40 hours of their specialized work is now being done in 90 seconds. The spreadsheet guy profile was built on 3 pillars: complex formulas, manual data manipulation, and being the sole reporting gatekeeper between the database and leadership. For years, complexity was weaponized as job security. We call this the ring fence. By controlling the formula troubleshooting and the manual cleaning, these experts created a barrier to entry that protected their role. If you wanted insights, you had to go through them. But in 2026, that ring fence isn't being breached, it's being made irrelevant. Why is this happening now? Follow the money. Companies are looking at the inefficiency cost. Manual expertise simply cannot compete with algorithmic velocity. We are talking about a shift from hours to days for a human to process data, down to seconds to minutes for an AI. The gatekeeper has devolved from an asset into the organization's greatest bottleneck. When sales, marketing, and operations data can be cleaned and analyzed instantly by an AI processing engine, waiting 3 days for a basic report from an internal expert is no longer just slow, it's a financial liability. We have reached a tipping point where commoditization is moving up the stack. Look at this pyramid. The zero-value human zone now includes data cleaning, basic reporting, and anomaly detection. These are the tasks AI eats for breakfast. We are moving from a world of data scarcity, where extraction was hard and the manipulator was king, to a world of data abundance. When extraction is instantaneous, the strategist becomes the new king. Survival in 2026 means treating AI as your subordinate processing engine, not your competitor. The AI agent handles the milliseconds of processing. The Augmented Strategist provides real-time foresight. You must abandon the tools of the past. Instead, you must acquire critical thinking and logic structuring, executive communication, AI orchestration, and prompt architecture. The mission hasn't changed. It's still about driving business strategy, but the tools have evolved forever. The choice is yours. Harness the engine or be replaced by it. Don't be the person holding the fire extinguisher while your career burns. Be the one who builds the next system. If you want to know which AI tools are currently dismantling the ring fence in mid-sized firms, check out my next video here. Subscribe to stay ahead of the 2026 shift. What's one manual task you're ready to give up to an AI? Let me know in the comments.